Hey guys, Star here. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use Ask.ai to set up your SaaS plans, all by simply describing what you want. As a marketing agency owner who services HVAC companies, we know that your sub-account users need specific access to certain features. You can simply type in a prompt to Ask.ai and it'll generate that SaaS plan for you. Let's dive in. So you're going to want to be on the agency level. Go ahead and click on Ask.ai. Once you've clicked on Ask.ai, just go ahead and enter in the prompt to create the SaaS plan. We're going to give it a very simple prompt, create a SaaS plan. We're going to name that SaaS plan, include the price point that you want to sell the SaaS plan for, and any features that you want to go ahead and include. Let's go ahead and submit that prompt. Ask.ai will then send you a proposal for the SaaS plan that you're requesting to be built out. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Yes, Create Plan. Once you've done that, you're going to see that it's been approved by you with a green check mark. All right, so now Ask.ai is going to let you know that it's built out this plan correctly and what it's included. All you're going to do is head on over to the SaaS Configurator. Here, you're going to go ahead and see the plans that currently exist, and you'll see now that we have the new SaaS plan called Local Growth, and it's included the features that we've added. You can also utilize Ask.ai to update any existing SaaS plans that you currently have. All you do is go to Ask.ai, and instead you're going to start a new chat, and instead of giving it a new prompt, just go ahead and tell it to update the current plan that you would like for it to update and what features you're adding or removing. Start using Ask.ai in your agency to manage and create SaaS plans. For more information on this tutorial, check out our corresponding help doc. And if you like these trainings, check out our Content Army playlist for more tutorials like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.